In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about starting your own Amazon FBA business, even if you're a beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how Amazon FBA works and the steps you need to take to start and grow your business. So let's get started. Amazon FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. This means that Amazon handles the storage, shipping, and customer service for your products. You send your products to Amazon's fulfillment center and they take care of everything else, basically. This allows you to focus on other aspects of your business, like product development and marketing. It is a huge relief to delegate the logistics, as you will have so much time that you could use to your advantage. There are several reasons why you might start an Amazon FBA business. First, Amazon is the largest online retailer of the whole world. This means that there is a huge potential market for your products. Secondly, Amazon FBA takes care of the logistics, making it much more easier to run your business. Finally, Amazon offers a wide range of resources and tools that you could use to your advantage, such as advertising and product research. Now, how do you get started with Amazon FBA? Getting started with Amazon FBA is relatively straightforward. First, you need to create a seller account. Then you need to choose the products that you want to sell and set them up correctly on your inventory on Amazon. Then you need to ship your product from your supplier's origin address to your destination address, which will be a fulfillment center of Amazon chosen by them. And once your products are received at the Amazon warehouse they chose, it is completely off your hands in terms of logistics. Now, I mentioned one step in this chapter that for me is the most important factor of them all, which is
finding the correct product to sell.
And I could just go ahead and make a whole 1-hour video of this matter. And if you guys want it, just comment it down below and I will think of making a whole video just dedicated to product research. Now, how do you find products to sell on Amazon FBA? There are paid methods for this matter, and there is also free research methods that you can go ahead and use. But finding the correct product to sell on Amazon FBA is critical to the success of your business. You want to choose products that are high demand and that have low competition. And this is pretty much where the real challenge is. There are several tools that you can use for this matter, like Helium 10 or Jungle Scout. As I mentioned before, there is also free methods that you can use. And if you guys want a whole video on this matter, again, comment something down below and I will get to it. Now we go into listing creation and optimization. You want to make sure that your listings are well written and include all the necessary information, such as product features and benefits. You also want to include high quality product images and relevant keywords to improve your rankings on Amazon's search results. I really want you guys to understand that high quality images and videos are really important for your listing, as consumers have no way of interacting with the product on real life. Think about normal stores. When people enter normal stores, they are able to interact a little bit with the product before they buy it. With a t-shirt, with a sweater or whatever, they are able to feel the product at least and see it in real life. On the other hand, on online shopping, you only have videos and photographs of the product. So make sure you get high quality photos of your product. Now we already have our product, we have shipped our product to Amazon, and we also have optimized and created our listings. What is the next step? Now finally we can focus on advertising our products on Amazon. Promoting your product is key to driving sales on Amazon. Amazon offers several advertising tools like sponsored products, sponsored brands that allow you to target specific audiences and to increase your visibility on their platform. You can also use social media and other marketing channels to increase traffic to your product listing, but I would highly recommend you starting with Amazon's sponsored products. You need to know how to create the right advertising campaign for your product and also how to do this efficiently so that your ROI is not destroyed by your advertising campaigns. So once you have your Amazon FBA business up and running, it is very important that you now focus on growth. This can include expanding your product line, optimizing your current listings, and increasing your marketing efforts. You should also track your sales data and use this information to make informed decisions about your business. Congratulations, guys. You've made it to the end of this short and very simple and straightforward guide of Amazon FBA. There is much more detail that I could go into. This is just a really short and simple version of the whole Amazon FBA business model process. I really hope that now you understand how Amazon FBA works and the necessary steps that you need to take if you want to start a business on Amazon. Remember, starting an Amazon FBA business takes time, effort, patience, but with the right tools and strategies, you surely can achieve success. So good luck, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And also remember to subscribe, like, and share this video so that the YouTube algorithm starts recommending a little bit more of my videos. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.